People have been telling me, Sadhguru, this is a super product, because many people have experienced this. Has everything to nourish the body? You can try this. 6 months, you go on things like this, you will see suddenly you will feel 5 years younger, full of energy. There are 14 ingredients in it. Has everything to nourish the body? It sits in your stomach in a certain way. It's a slow release energy process. If you eat food to last you for 6-7 hours, you will end up eating a certain quantity. Because of that quantity, now after food, the next challenge for the body is sleep. The greatest challenge for a meditator, people don't understand this, the greatest challenge for a meditator or a sadhaka always is to stay alert and awake with eyes closed. Many months I've just lived on that. Ganji, it's called Sanjeevini Ganji. I personally made this. The basic recipe, just Ganji, soaked groundnut or a coconut in India. Ganji and coconut, done. The day is done, one big glass of Ganji and one coconut, day is done, nothing else. So, if you look back on the activity we have performed, it looks like we've lived for 3 lifetimes. Yes, just look at the volume of activity a handful of people have done in the last 30 years. This is because Sanjeevini Ganji. Yeah, I should have looked up because this would make a good ad. You stop. So, people have been telling me, Sadhguru, this is a super product, because many people have experienced this. I must tell you, my girl traveled with me since she's 3.5 months of age on a routine schedule that I'm driving across the country. 3.5-month-old baby. Sattuma Ganji, raisins, fruit, that's all. Never ever bought a milk packet or a milk tin or any damn thing. No milk, no cow's milk, no any milk. Just Sattuma Ganji, raisins and fruits. The moment she got teeth, nuts, that's about it. I don't remember ever taking her to a doctor. Never. You can try this. 6 months, you go on things like this, you will see suddenly you will feel 5 years younger, full of energy, and if you sleep for 4 hours a day, it's more than enough. Well, the choice is yours, whether you want to live or practice death when you're alive. My intention is that you must be alive even when you're dead. If your intention is you want to be dead when you're alive, wrong company. It's time that you drink some Ganji every day.
Isha Life's Sanjeevini brings the goodness of 9 power-packed ingredients in one health mix. It ensures your daily nutritional requirements is met, even in a hectic schedule, as it is a complete meal in itself, and also quite easy to prepare. What makes Sanjeevini a superfood and a complete meal in itself is the healthy combination of locally grown multigrains like jawar, bajra, ragi, wheat, green gram and others, which have been a part of our diet for millennia. It's a traditional wisdom for modern lifestyle. So why one should drink Sanjeevini? What are its benefits? It's a complete meal in itself, with all-round nutrition ranging from protein, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, and dietary fibers. Sanjeevini provides a nutritional representative of a complete meal. Sanjeevini can aid in promoting bone density, as it's a rich source of calcium. One can easily include Sanjeevini in the daily schedule, whether It is after the daily workout or an intense yoga session, and it serves as a natural energy booster. Sanjeevini also works as an immune booster and improves one's immunity. Sanjeevini can also be a healthier substitute for chemically induced protein powders for athletes or people with high level of physical activity to enhance their energy levels. Sanjeevini is devoid of any preservatives, chemicals, and added artificial flavors. It's 100% natural, preservative free. With a good amount of dietary fiber, it also works to improve one's digestion. Preparing Sanjeevini. It's very easy to make. You just need to add right quantity of Sanjeevini to the boiling water and boil the mixture for 5 minutes, stirring continuously until it reaches a porridge-like consistency. You can also add jaggery or palm sugar or grated coconut for taste. We have also made a complete in-depth video on Sanjeevini. You can click on the information button above or visit the link in the description of this video.